Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to share a recipe for Sardine Choka, and I got so many requests for this recipe after posting a vlog from back home. I was cooking in my mom's kitchen. She was making fried bakes and I was making the Sardine Choka, and a lot of people asked me for the recipe. So I'm going to share it with you today. It's very similar to a recipe I shared I think a year ago. I think I shared it, around this time for Lent. And it was a fish choka recipe, so it's very similar. I just omitted a few of the ingredients that I usually use in my fish choka. So I'm going to share my take on Sardine Choka. Hope you enjoy it. So here are the ingredients I'm using. I have some bird peppers, and you might see it as just hot chili peppers in some groceries. I have a hot pepper, cilantro, chive or scallion or green onion, garlic, and some Bandhania, shadon, beni, culantro or recao. So I like using the sardine fillets in spring water. There are so many different brands and so many different types to choose from. There's sardine and tomato sauce and soybean oil, olive oil. Back home, the soybean oil one is very popular. So that's the one my parents like using. Here's how I like to clean it. I take the dull side of a knife and I just scrape that skin off, and it helps if you do this under some running water. Make sure the water is running very low. If it's too high, it's just gonna break up your fish. So you want to prevent that. And then you want to open it up, and in the center you'll see a bone sometimes. Mine doesn't have it because it's boneless. And then you'll also see some eggs or some guts sometimes. If you like using it, then by all means you can use it. This is just how I like to clean it. I'm very particular about how sardine is cleaned. So I don't eat sardine if I don't know how it's cleaned. So once it's nice and clean and you've gotten out most of the skin and the guts, now all you do is take a fork and mash it. Once it's mashed finely, add all your ingredients. but don't mix it yet. And if you don't like the crunch of the onions, you can saute it before adding it. To a small pan, now you want to add about a tablespoon of oil. I'm using avocado oil. Once it gets smoking hot, now you want to add it over everything. And just give it a good mix. Now I'm just going in with a little fresh cracked black pepper. And some salt. So sardine choka is best served with sada roti, bread, pot bake, fry bake, coconut bake, Crix, any type of cracker. The options are endless. So I hope you enjoy this sardine choka recipe. Be sure to leave me all your comments and your questions below, and you can share your pictures with me via Instagram and Facebook at Taste of Trinbago, and you can also email me at spoonfulofTrini@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. I hope the video was helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so that you'll be notified of every single video that I post. So until I see you all in my next one, bye! It's a perfect appetizer, a little snack if you don't know what to cook. So tasty and so simple to prepare. Mom is rolling out the dough for the fried bake. Mom, can you tell us what your dough has?
Flour, sugar, onion, flour, salt and baking powder.
That's all?
Yeah.
No yeast?
No.
Okay. So Mom lined the bowl with cloth and then she's lining it with some napkins to drain the oil when she adds the fried bakes.